Welcome to Learn Russian Fast in Hindi. Today we are going to talk about the Russian space program. The Russian space program is a government-run program responsible for the country's space missions and satellite launches. It was established in the Soviet era, with its roots dating back to the 1950s and 1960s, when the Soviet Union was a major player in the space race. Today, the Russian Space Agency, Roscosmos, manages the program and oversees its various projects, including human spaceflight, satellite launches, and the development of new spacecraft and launch vehicles. The Russian space program has made significant contributions to the field of space exploration. The Soviet Union was the first country to launch a satellite into orbit, Sputnik 1, and the first to send a human being into space, Yuri Gagarin. In the following decades, the country's space program achieved numerous milestones, including the launch of the first woman into space, Valentina Tereshkova, the first woman to walk in space, Svetlana Savitskaya, and the first space station, Salyut 1. In recent years, the Russian space program has faced several challenges, including funding constraints and the loss of several spacecraft and satellites. However, the program continues to be a major player in the international space community and continues to launch satellites, perform scientific experiments, and send astronauts to the International Space Station. Russia is also actively developing new spacecraft, such as the new Angara rocket and the Federation spacecraft, which will replace its aging Soyuz vehicles. Overall, the Russian space program has a rich history of achievements and continues to be a key player in the global space community. Keep learning. Keep revising. Keep growing. Learn Russian fast in Hindi.